Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy's 1973 to 1987 C10. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle and remove your transmission. Cut out the rivets retaining your factory transmission crossmember and remove your crossmember. Punch out the rivets using a punch. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, followed by painting the part with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Hold your replacement transmission crossmember up to the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Once aligned, insert the included hardware where the rivets were originally located. Tighten your hardware with a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your transmission. Then you're done.